everybody. This is Stephanie. Thank you for coming into my kitchen. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Please keep giving me likes and share and subscribe. I really appreciate it. The channel's starting to do okay. So it's all because of you, and I really appreciate it. So today though, I'm just finishing work, and I said, let me take my dinner. So I made corned beef the other day, which there'll be a video coming up, which you'll see that I made corned beef in my pressure cooker, but I have some leftovers, and I'm going to make a Reuben sandwich. So in my Reuben sandwich is going to be some Russian dressing. I just bought, from the store, whatever kind you want to buy. You can make it yourself, but I'm in a hurry. I'm going to also have some deli mustard. So that's some deli mustard I have in the house. And in the refrigerator, I had some Swiss cheese. So you can use whatever cheese you want, but I had some deli Swiss in the refrigerator. So I'm going to use some of that on my sandwich. And I got 2 pieces of rye bread. And I had the deli rye bread. I had the deli, the bakery one, but I didn't use it up in time. So I need to use, it wasn't fresh. You got to use that and eat it. And I haven't been eating that much of it. So I got this this rye bread. So that's what I'm using. I think it's Jewish rye bread. I believe this one is soft rye bread for sure. And this, I'm going to open it and show you. This is some sauerkraut. I'm going to put some sauerkraut on there and I'm going to sandwich a little bit, warm it up. And the star of the show is my corned beef. This is leftover corned beef, and I'm going to put it in a pan and get started. Here's the bread, and I'm going to put some Russian dressing on it. Come on, Russian dressing, come on out. Okay, I'm going to put some on just like that. I actually like Russian dressing on roast beef. That's very good. It's delicious. A roast beef sandwich with Russian dressing on garlic bread. Don't that sound good? I might have to try that. Not try it. I know that I like that. So I'm going to just spread it around because I want it on here. It's kind of what I want. I need that on here. So I can have I'm going to put a little mustard on also and spread that out before I even get in the on the stove with this. So just want to show you guys. So I'm not doing this on the stove. I'm doing it in front of you guys. So put some deli mustard on. Mustard got turmeric in it. Turmeric is good for your joints. So mustard is good to have on your food. I was just reading something about that. It helps the inflammation in your body. So whenever you can use mustard, use some mustard, because mustard is really good for you. I'm going to put the cheese on also, just on my bread before I actually get it all warmed up. And put 1 slice on there, and 1 slice on this side. And that's all. That's it. That's all. Now we're going to go to the stove, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do from there. Okay? Over to the stove. Okay, guys, I'm turning on my stove. I'm turning on the gas so the pan could get hot. This is the pan I'm using right here. And I'm going to put some butter in there. In goes the butter. If I was making more than 1 sandwich, I would put this on the grill, but I'm not, just for me. So, and I am hungry. Won't take but a minute. It'll be done. Put some butter on there. This will help the situation right here. And to warm up my corned beef. I'm going to put the corned beef in to warm up like that and get a little brown. That's enough for the sandwich, I think. That should be enough for my sandwich. Just a little bit more. Okay, that's warming up. While that's warming up, I am also going to warm up some of my sauerkraut. I want some of that warmed up too. Stick that on the side. I just don't want anything on my sandwich to be cold. So that's why I'm doing it this way. That's enough sauerkraut, I think, for me. And as she starts popping, we start the moving. Starting to pop all over the place. That's fine. I'm going to move her around so she warms up. Again, this does not take long. It doesn't take long at all. Well, that wants to warm up over there. Now I'm going to put the bread on. And this would be nice on the grill, but I didn't want to take the grill out for this. And here we go. I want them to get right. I wanted to get nice and toasty. I just finished a long day. All right. I'm going to put that on my sandwich, as you could see. Put all this roast beef on corned beef on my, I keep on saying roast beef, but it's corned beef. Put all this corned beef on my sandwich. And this is the third sandwich I've had with this, because I'm the only one who's eating this, since Perry doesn't like it particularly. So it's me eating this. And I think it's worth it. It was delicious. It was a delicious corned beef. So here we go. Put that right on top. Yeah. Nice sandwich. Thank you. Nice sandwich. Yes. And then I'm going to put that on one side and I'm going to flip it over again. It always helps. It definitely helps to use a spatula and a spoon or something when you're trying to flip things over on the stove. It's a good idea. But this is melted and it's hot. And see, I told you it won't take long. I'll turn this off because I don't want it to burn. And then I'm going to show you and put it on a plate. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. Alright guys, that's that quick sandwich I made. What goes better with this than pickles? So I got a couple of pickles. What are these? Kosher dill spear. Yep. And a nice Reuben sandwich. My way. Okay? That's my dinner, guys. I just wanted to show you my sandwich before I get out of here. I appreciate you all. Please look down at the bottom of my videos and check out my Amazon store. And please like, subscribe, and share. Mwah, mwah. Have a good evening. Gotta go. Bye-bye.